Accoxi maintains a separate form to year closing, and user can close their books of accounts in it. To access the form of year closing, click on the Accoxi settings and select the option year closing under the accounts head. When we clicking on the year closing option, a new tab will be appear, and it is for identity confirmation. Here user needs to enter the software password. After entering the password, click on the confirm option to process. After that, the year closing tab will open. Here we have next option and cancel option. Click on the next option to continue. There are 5 steps to complete the year closing. Before that, user needs to ensure that all financial activity for the year is accurately recorded in the accounts, and user needs to check and ensure that the trial balance account of the organization must be tally and the account should be accurate. Otherwise, we cannot complete the year closing. Here, the first step is the opening balance. It shows the debit and credit balance of the organization and also shows the difference figure under the balance head. It shows the status of the opening balance, whether it is tallied or not tallied. User can proceed to the next step only if it is tallied. Otherwise, user cannot complete the year closing. The next is the View Opening Balance menu. With this menu, user can access the opening balance form. When we clicking on the View Opening Balance menu, it redirects to Opening Balance form. After verifying the opening balance step, click on the next option to continue. The next step is the trial balance. Here, the trial balance, debit balance amount and credit balance amounts are given here. If there is any different balance, then the different figure will reflect under the balance head. It also shows the status of the trial balance, whether it is tallied or not tallied. User can continue to the next step only if it is tallied. Otherwise, user cannot complete the year closing. Next, we have a View Trial Balance menu is available here. This option enables the user to access the trial balance form. When we clicking on the View Trial Balance, it redirects to trial balance form and user can verify the accounts. To move to the next step, click on the next button here. The next step is the reconciliation. Here it shows the bank accounts to be reconciled status. If there is any pending reconciliations, then the number will be reflected here and user cannot move if there is any pending reconciliations. A View Reconcile menu is given here. With this menu, user can access the reconciliation form. When we clicking on the View Reconcile menu, it redirects to the reconciliation form and user can check the reconciliation status here. After checking the reconciliation, click on the next step to continue. The next is the pending invoices. Here it shows the pending sales invoices and pending purchase invoices status. If there is any pending invoices are remaining, then user cannot complete the year closing. Click on the next step to continue. The final step is the finish. Click on the finish to complete the financial year closing. After click on the finish, the perform year closing function will process and complete. Then it changes to the next financial year. So these are the steps to year closing. Thank you.